Good day everyone. Today we'll be talking about internal combustion engine laboratory exercise for power plant engineering. Calculate from the following data the kilogram of air per kilogram of fuel used by an automobile engine. Air temperature is 21.50 degrees Celsius and 760 millimeter Hg air, entering 1.75 cubic meter per minute, measured in gasoline 14.25 liters per hour, specific gravity of gasoline 0.735. So during a problem na they given a T which is equal to 21.50 degrees Celsius, convert na lang siya to Kelvin which is equivalent to 294.5 Kelvin. Tapos kani 760 mmHg convert na to siya to kPa which is equal to 101.325 kPa. Alloy volume which is 1.75 cubic meter per minute, 14.25 liter per hour gasoline, and specific gravity sa gas kay 0.35 735. So, para sa solution, P air is equal to PV divided by RT. So, naatay PV which is 101.325. Divide natin siya sa itong R which is 0.28 at 287 times 294.5. I-calculate na to na siya which is equivalent to 1.199 kilogram per cubic meter. Then mass of air, P air times V. Since na naman tayo P air, substitute din natin na siya. 1.199 times 1.75. Cancel ang cubic meter. So mabilin kay kilogram per minute. Ang answer na kay 2.098 kilogram per minute. Then next, sa P, fuel, 0.300 0.735 times 1,000 is equal to 735 kilogram per cubic meter. And then sa V fuel, which is equal to 14.25 divided by 1,000 times 60. Natay V fuel which is equal to 2.375 times 10 to the negative 3 cubic meter per minute. For the M fuel is equivalent to 735 kilogram per cubic meter times 2.375 times 10 to the negative 4 cubic meter per minute. So makancel ang cubic meter na mabilin kay kilogram per minute. Tapos ang total is equal to 0.175 kilogram per minute. M fuel over M air. So 0.175 kilogram per minute divided by 2.098 kilogram per minute. Is equivalent to 0.083 kilogram of fuel over kilogram of air. Okay, cancel man ang minutes. Yan siya. Yan. Next question. An engine has an efficiency of 26%. It uses 2 gallons of gasoline per hour. Gasoline has a heating value of 20,500 BTU per lbf. or pound force and a specific gravity of zero point 0.8, what is the power output of the engine? So sa given natay efficiency which is equivalent to 26%, natay fuel, this is 2 gallons per hour, and heating value which is 20,500 BTU per pound force. Then ito ang specific gravity which is 0.8. For the solution, very simple. V is equal to ano na to na siya, kung cancel na itong mga units para mabilin kay pound per hour. So 2 divided 2 gallon per hour times 1 cubic feet divided by 7.481 gallon, 0.8 times 62.4 pound over cubic feet. So, makancel ang cubic feet, makancel cubic feet, cancel gallon, cancel. So, pag calculate ni mo ana, so natay 13.347 pound per hour. Para makuha na itong power output, Maria po. Since na naman tayo V, solve na ito na siya, 13.347 pound per hour. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. 1 pound is equivalent to 20, uh, 1 BTU is equal to 1.005 kilojoules. So, makancel na siya. Cancel, 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 cancel. Very simple. Yan na yun natin siya. Calculate natin siya. 13.347 divided by 1 over 3,600 times 20,500 times 1.005 times 0.26, which is a total efficiency. Para makakuha tag ano, power output which is 20.847 kilojoules per second or kilowatts. Next, supercharged 6-cylinder 4-stroke cycle diesel engine of 10.48 centimeter bore and 12.7 centimeter stroke has a compression ratio of 15. When this is tested, a dynamometer with a 53.34 centimeter arm at 2,500 RPM, the scale reads 81.65 kilograms, 2.86 kilograms of fuel, of 45,822.50 kilojoules per kilogram. Heating value are burned during 6 minutes test and air metered to the cylinders at the rate of 0.182 kilogram per second. Find the brake thermal efficiency. So for the solution, mag-solve sa tag-torque since natay mga given dere. So 81.65 kilogram times 9.81 which is the gravity, and then 0.53 5334 meters converted divided natin na siya to 1,000. Atong answer din kay 427.25 newton meter. Then since natin torque, mag-solve ta sa brake power. For the formula na atay 2 pi nt over 60. Diba? Natay RPM na 2,500. Then calculate na to. 2 pi times 2,500 times 427.25 which is the torque. Then divide that sa 60. Natay to answer na 111,853.788 watts. Divide to siya sa 1,000 para mahimo siya og 111.85 kilowatts. Para sa MF, equivalent to 2.86 kilograms divided by 6 minutes times 60 seconds since naman si given nga during 6 minutes. Uh, then answer na kay 7.944 times 10 to negative 3 kilogram per second. After that, since naman tayo hitting value of ano, MF, multiply na to na siya. So 7.944 times 10 to negative 3 kilogram per second times 45,822.20 kilojoules per kilogram is equivalent to 369.03 kilowatts. Since makancel na to ang kilograms, both sides, so mabiling kilojoules per second, which is equivalent to kilowatts. Then for the brake thermal efficiency, gamit ang formula BP divided by ganing answer na to sa to ano, last 64 364.03 is equivalent to 111.85 kilowatts divided by 364.03 kilowatts. Cancel ang kilowatts. So unitless na siya. Sa total answer, ang answer na ay 0.3265. Since efficiency man, which is percentage times siya sa 100%, ang final answer ana sa brake thermal efficiency is equal to 32.65%. Very simple lang. Thank you. That's all.